Peter Wright's performance since Michael van Gerwen caught him at 8 apiece and then re-caught him at 9 apiece has been magnificent. And he underlines that point here.
What a time to hit your 6th maximum. It's not that Michael van Gerwen's been giving Peter Wright chances. Michael was up to his average to 104. Peter Wright has manufactured the chance to become PL champ through absolute brilliance. He's on 32 after 9 darts. Finish line-itis? I don't think so.
To win the biggest prize of his professional career. Why? It's the biggest dart he's ever thrown in his life. And it doesn't find its target. Will he get another one?
60. Double 18, double 18.
He will get another one. Another 3 if he needs them. And it goes on. The ultimate agony. 6 match darts. And he will have to play another leg. Oh, look at Peter Wright.
He's got to pick himself up. He's got to pick himself up. He knows, Peter Wright knows that he has the darts. He's still the odds-on favourite to win this leg and the championship. He's got to forget that. Easier said than done. He's still holding all the aces. Needs to win a treble. Oh, how this game can be so cruel.
Well, you would have to have a heart of stone not to feel something, but van Gerwen is just doing his job. And that's all he can do. It's not his business to show any sympathy. He may do afterwards, but he's here to win.
Peter Wright isn't beat yet, but body language says just before these 3 darts that he's feeling beat right now. He's missed 6 match darts.
Has seized that reprieve and turned it now into what looks being a match-winning parade. How different it might have been, and Peter Wright devastated.
Yes, Peter Wright missed 6 match darts, but van Gerwen cleaned up. And against the throw, he wants 88 points after 9 darts. Under pressure, he has performed. Well, Peter Wright really should have gone for a 25 there. At least give himself the opportunity. He's not thinking straight, and we're not going to have a go at him for that.
And Michael van Gerwen wins the Premier League for the 3rd time. But he will never be pushed closer than that. Michael van Gerwen retains the title, but spare a thought for Peter Snakebite Wright. The absolute agony of professional sport played out in front of our very eyes as 6 match darts were missed by the man who had the Premier League title in the palm of his hand. It looked like being all right on the night, but it went horribly wrong for Snakebite. And Michael van Gerwen, the world champion, was there to pounce for the big prize.